First the UAE, then South Korea. Now everyone's asking the big question. When will Stargate come to India? After unlocking the AI grid in Abu Dhabi and opening offices in Seoul, OpenAI has its eyes on Asia. But India's still waiting. What is Stargate anyway? Stargate isn't a chatbot. It's the backbone of the AGI era, a $500 billion vision to build massive frontier-scale AI data clusters. OpenAI's own AGI factories. The first one, already under construction in Texas. Then came the UAE, 1 gigawatt of AI compute, powering half the world's population. And now, the race is on. South Korea, Japan, Singapore, all in talks. But where's India? India's AI intent is loud. But is it big enough? Let's be clear. India's not asleep. We have launched a 10,000 plus crore rupees India AI mission. 18,000 plus GPUs already live on the India AI compute portal. We are building our own chips, our own data banks, AI Kosh. And yes, Reliance is going big. 3 gigawatt data center in Jamnagar, Geo AI Cloud, Geo Brain, Geo Phone Call AI. Even OpenAI and Meta are circling in. Why? Because Reliance knows how to scale. Just ask anyone with a 199 rupees Geo plan. Last week, Mukesh Ambani met Donald Trump in Qatar. No deals were signed. But here's what insiders say. This wasn't just a dinner. This was groundwork, relationship building. But why? Because if there's anyone who can bring Stargate to India, it's Mukesh Ambani. OpenAI has already approached Reliance to bundle ChatGPT with Geo plans. They are discussing cheaper ChatGPT Pro for India, enterprise APIs for Indian businesses, local data center hosting for AI models. Reliance offers OpenAI something no one else can. Hyperlocal scale, plus government muscle, plus nationwide infra. As Akash Ambani put it, AI will bring 500 million Indians onto one platform. We want to lead that. While the UAE has a 1 gigawatt cluster live by 2026, India doesn't have a formal Stargate deal. Yes, the ambitions are there. Yes, we have the users, the talent, the infra, the drive. But without sovereign compute at Stargate scale, we remain a distribution market, not an AI core. Many experts said, India's got the population, now it needs the grid. Why OpenAI is choosing Korea before India? South Korea is number 2 in paid ChatGPT subscriptions, home to Kakao, SK Telecom, Krafton offering regulatory alignment, plus funding OpenAI just opened an office in Seoul. Legal entity, local hiring, data center plans. India, still waiting. We're building the chips. We've got the users. We're launching AI missions. But we need the crown jewel, Stargate scale AI infrastructure. Because the future won't be shaped by the best chatbot. It'll be shaped by who owns the grid. And if India wants to lead the AI century, it must not ask, when will Stargate come to India? It must declare, we are building one. Right here, right now. Let us know what you think in the comments below. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.